Kim is a very healthy snorer. She has that credible sound. I've never heard a snore like that. I've never slept next to a snore like that. That's the sound of Kim at night. How are you doing? Did you sleep? I didn't sleep. Like a water buffalo.
Oh my God, Kim snoring is unreal. Of course, I'm the closest one to the caravan and I can hear it. It sounds like a sound that is ready to be made with other animals. It's really, really unbelievably scary.
I never heard anything like it.
George is like dreaming of a giant hog. Like we're saying, oh, roast the hog.
Basically, I think I slept an hour before she started snoring, and then when I got so tired, I'm listening to it, that I fell asleep again. So this is going to be an interesting day to get through fatigue-wise.
You're out there, George?
Yeah, no, last night I
He said
didn't...
you were like a water buffalo.
I never heard such snoring last night. I never heard such snoring last night.
You know you're killing my image on telly, don't you?
I never heard such snoring.
I just cannot believe a fighting with George Hamilton about who snores and who keeps who awake.
It was like Orca.
Oh, you are so rude.
I just said it out, and I wrote it out for a while. It must have been in like an hour and a half, 2 hours. I've never.
Don't you?
I'm not. I swear. I swear.
George,
I swear. I don't think any of the ladies that I've known in my life snore. I can tell you for a fact that Elizabeth Taylor is not a snorer.